Hello guys, YouTube, it's Elaine. Today we're making DIY butter slime. That was really fast. Wow. Okay, so before we get into the video, make sure you subscribe, smash that like button, and also comment down below you've done those things. And when you do, you might get a shout out. So, let's get started.
So the first thing you need to do is add in some white glue. Or you can also add in clear glue if you want to, but I used white glue because if I used clear glue, it'd just be a waste. Also, my jug was almost empty, so it took me a while to get the glue out of my jug. As you can see here, I'm struggling really hard. Next thing you need to do is add in some activator. I use Stay-Flo, but you can use any activator you want. I just use Stay-Flo because it's safer than borax. So once you have your slime ready, knead it until it's a very good consistency. So once you're done kneading your slime, add in some clay. You can use any clay you would like, just like the activator. You can use any kind of clay that you want. I use Model Magic. I also use a green Model Magic because green is my favorite color. So once you get your clay out of the bag, which it takes a bit, it takes a long time for me to get it out of the bag because it's just Model Magic has really nice bags, okay? So, ignore why I'm off camera that I couldn't get the clay out of the bag. I'm sorry. See? Couldn't get it out of the bag. So, when you have your clay out of the bag, knead it into your slime until your slime is a very nice and a little bit stiffer consistency than it was.
liked my crafting videos or if you don't, because I kind of like them a lot because they're a lot easier, okay? I also have slime on my hands and I'm just rubbing my hands to get the slime off of my hands. And guys, I love you all so much. I love you all a lot. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. But I love you all so much. And bye.